Welcome to the simulation. Have you ever felt like something is just a bit off? Like the world around you isn't quite what it seems? Have you ever wondered if this is all real? What if everything you see, touch, and experience is just part of an elaborate illusion? What if our world is just a giant computer simulation? Imagine for a moment that every interaction, every moment is pre-programmed. It's a wild thought, right? But it's a theory that has intrigued scientists, philosophers, and thinkers for years, but some very smart people think it might be true. They argue that the advancements in technology make it plausible. And if it is a simulation, what does that mean for us? Can we control it? Can we change it? Let's dive in and explore the possibilities. Think of a video game. In a game, you control your character, right? You navigate through challenges and make decisions. You control your character, right? You make choices, and those choices change the game. Every action has a consequence. You make choices, and those choices change the game. What if our world works the same way? What if we have more control than we think? Maybe our world works the same way. Maybe we can influence our reality by understanding the rules of this simulation. Maybe we can learn the rules of this simulation and start writing our own stories. The possibilities are endless, and the journey is just beginning. Good vibes only. The law of vibration. This universal principle is all about the energy that surrounds us and flows through everything. It's a fundamental concept that can change the way you perceive the world. The first rule is all about energy. Everything in the universe, from the tiniest atom to the largest galaxy, is made of energy. This energy is in a constant state of motion. Everything in the universe is made of energy. This means that every object, every thought, and every emotion is composed of energy. And this energy is always vibrating at different frequencies. That energy is always vibrating. These vibrations are what create the different forms and experiences we encounter in our lives. Even solid things like tables and chairs are vibrating at a very fast rate. Though they appear still, their molecules are in constant motion. This is the law of vibration. It explains that nothing rests. Everything moves and vibrates. This law is the foundation for understanding how our thoughts and feelings influence our reality. Here's the cool part, like attracts like. The vibrations you emit attract similar vibrations. This is why positive energy attracts positive experiences. If you're feeling happy and positive, your energy vibrates at a high frequency. This high-frequency energy draws more happiness and positivity into your life. Guess what? You attract more good things into your life. It's like a magnet pulling in all the good vibes. But if you're feeling down and negative, you vibrate at a lower frequency. This low-frequency energy attracts more negativity and challenges. And you guessed it, you attract more negativity. Understanding the law of vibration can help you take control of your energy and ultimately, your life. You attract what you think, the law of attraction. This leads us to the law of attraction. What you focus on, you get more of. It's like the universe is always listening to your thoughts and feelings. If you're constantly thinking about what you don't want, guess what? You're going to get more of that. But here's the good news. If you focus on what you do want, you start to attract those things into your life. It's like magic, but it's really just energy and focus. Fake it till you make it, the law of assumption. Now let's talk about the law of assumption. This one is all about acting as if what you want is already true. It's about changing your beliefs and your behavior to match your desires. Let's say you want to be a successful artist. The law of assumption says you need to start acting like a successful artist. Believe in yourself. Create art every day. Show your work to the world. Don't wait for permission or validation, just do it. Go with the flow, the law of least effort. Finally, we have the law of least effort. This principle is rooted in the idea that nature's intelligence functions with effortless ease. Think about how the rivers flow, the grass grows, and the earth revolves around the sun. Everything in nature happens effortlessly. This one is all about going with the flow of the universe. It's about aligning yourself with the natural rhythms and cycles of life. When you do this, you find that things start to fall into place more easily. It's about letting go of resistance and trusting that the universe has your back. When you stop fighting against the current and start moving with it, you conserve energy and reduce stress. Think of it like this. When you try to force something to happen, it usually creates resistance. This resistance can manifest as stress, frustration, and even failure. The more you push, the harder it becomes. But when you relax and allow things to unfold naturally, it's much easier and more enjoyable. You start to notice opportunities and solutions that you might have missed if you were too busy forcing things. The law of least effort is about finding that sweet spot where you're aligned with the universe and things just flow. It's about being in harmony with your surroundings and trusting that everything will work out as it should. When you embrace this law, life becomes a more joyful and fulfilling journey. You are the architect building your reality. So there you have it. 4 powerful laws that might just be the keys to unlocking the matrix and co-creating your reality. The law of vibration, the law of attraction, the law of assumption, and the law of least effort. Are you ready to start playing the game? Remember, you are the artist of your life. You have the power to choose your thoughts, your beliefs, and your actions. So choose wisely and create a reality that you love.